Another year has passed. I love you even more. Your eyes I love to see. Your hand I love to touch. Your lips.
Tinitingnan kita kanina yung mga kanta. Sabi ko, pumunta na lang yun. Talaga mahal.
I love to kiss. I love you all so very much. Tomorrow starts a new year, and memories could have waited.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Tama naman.
I won't say I love you, darling, happy birthday.
This song is from Wilbert's Heart.
Pag natalo yan, kasalanan mo.
Then I pour my heart out. Lord is the man without love.
Hi, Oli. Happy birthday. How young?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
So if you say my prayer, please at home. About my heart that's slowly dying.
Slowly dying.
Say I can stop myself from crying. Every day I wake up, then I start to break.
The gift I have for you is a promise to be true, to love you through the years.
There's something to show.
the new year and memories could have waited. I won't lie.
Nakatalino raw.
Hindi yan katalino raw.
I will live
Vilma.
with you for just a little while.
Can I dance with you?
Put your lips close to mine, dear. Won't you kiss me once, babe? Just a kiss goodnight, babe. Anniversary kayo? Ito ba, te? Sino, ate? Sino ang wala? Excuse me po. Sumiksik pa lang. Hindi na ibigay eh, hindi na ibigay.
Mga singer talaga.
Anong final na sa'yo, Nene? Hindi high score lang naman yan. Diba si Nene? Diba sa'yo? Hindi parang nag-start lang si Nene.
Maghanap din ako ng alternatiba.
Ayun, nag-radio na. Tatlo. Kailan kami kasama? Resting in
I feel the power so divine. You're my world, you are my night and day. You're my one, you're every prayer I pray.
Sa lahat ng officer at members ng Junior Senior Foundation, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Sa kakaibuturo natin puso na papasaya ko ngayong araw na to. Kahit medyo late na. Pero ito ang 55 years kong birthday. Napasaya niyo ako. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless po sa ating lahat. Sana sa akin gumaling din ako sa kung ano.
Kami dalawa ni Yoni
At sana
say
para
I
sa
love you,
salamat po.
darling, happy birthday.